guys, today we'll be making some Jamaican brown stew fish with our Jamaican kingfish or jackfish. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, share, like, and comment. Now we're starting off with our fish that has been washed and scaled and pat dry. We're going to season our fish with our garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, fish seasoning. Now we're going to sprinkle that generously over the fish, rub it in, do that on both sides. And be very generous with the seasoning, because once you start to fry that fish, some of the seasoning that isn't fully stuck to it is going to fall off in the oil. So you're going to lose some of the seasoning. So be generous with it. Once you do that, just set that aside. Keep that remaining seasoning to season the pot later. So we're going to start off with our vegetables. We're going to peel and cut our carrots. You can do it into whatever shape you want. Strips, julienne. Cut up our bell pepper into julienne, into strips. I like using different colors. You just add some color to the pot. We're gonna slice some chocho. Jamaica, we call it chocho. Other parts of the Caribbean or the world, they call it Christophine or chayote. Gonna cut up our pumpkin. Peel the skin off the pumpkin. Some people like to leave it on. I like to remove mine and just cut that up. Have some fresh thyme, some green onion or scallion. Just cut it up nicely. Adds a nice aroma and flavor to the pot. Now we have our fresh garlic. Just smash that. Peel the husk or the skin or the trash off of it. Then we're gonna chop that up real fine. We're gonna mince that up. Just use the side of the knife to press the garlic and just give it another chop. So it's gonna be nice and minced up. Same thing with the ginger. We're gonna just slice that up. So we're gonna cut into some thin strips and then cut across it again. So it's nice and minced like the ginger, like the garlic. So once we're done with our veggies, just set aside. We're gonna grab our fish. And then we're gonna sear our fish. So we're gonna cook our fish on both sides. Get a nice golden brown color on either side. So fry that for about